Hello, welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss about a problem which is AutoCAD's problem, that is the cursor moves slowly. As you can see that my cursor is move so slowly and it is so lagging badly and I cannot move as my will. So this is my problem. As this is AutoCAD electrical, I wanna draw a wire I'm gonna draw a wire, and you can see that it is so laggy and it's a problem to draw in this situation. So in order to improve this mouse lagging problem, we have to first go here, hardware acceleration. You can see hardware acceleration is on. I'm putting right click on it and go to graphics performance. You can see that it's on. Now I will off it, so it's become off. Now put OK. And now you can see that we can draw wire easily, or anything you want to draw. Or anything you want to draw in AutoCAD easily. So thus you can solve your mouse lagging problem. Thank you all.